G'day everyone, I'm in Costco here in Epping in northern suburbs of Melbourne, and everyone's coming in. It's opening time here at Costco and we're all going down the back to buy toilet paper because everyone's panic buying and bought all the bloody toilet paper. So I'm going down the back there. As you can see, trolleys full of toilet paper. This is the queue. Stretches all the way down there, and that's just to get toilet paper. I'll get out of your way. Oh, this is madhouse. Sorry guys. Tissue line. Hello everybody. We're having Dodgem car trolleys here. Oops, sorry buddy. Yeah, we're lining up here to get toilet paper. The queue's probably about 50 metres long, and people are hoarding on toilet paper. G'day again, I'm here at Costco in Epping, and there's a mad rush for toilet paper and water. Everyone thinks the world's going to end, so we're going to stock up on toilet paper, which is a bit weird, but anyway. Yeah, so yeah, we're all panicking. Rather than having food, we got plenty of. Yeah, that's it. This is going on YouTube. Yeah, so everyone's panicking, and yeah, so everyone's here because there's no toilet paper. So. What's going on? Yeah, we're still in the queue, been here half an hour. People are just pushing in from left, right and centre. But you got to blame Costco, they should put people here. Unbelievable. Okay, I'm in the queue here at Costco, the register queue. Been here about an hour just to pick up a few items, and yeah, so just waiting in line for the most part to get to the cash register now.